a falcon got some meat and he was flying to eat that meat. He would go to some quiet place, sit down and eat the meat that it collected. So in the meantime, a bigger bird came, say an eagle, and the eagle was very hungry. So he was looking for food. And then he saw that this falcon is carrying that meat. So he attacked the falcon. The falcon realized that he doesn't stand any chance against that eagle. So what did the falcon do? He dropped that meat and flew away. He became free from the eagle's attack. So what lesson do we learn from that? How material possession causes anxiety because the others will try to take it away from you. When you have material possessions, then you are susceptible to be attacked by others. But when you drop that, like that falcon, he dropped that, and then what happens? No more anxiety, no more attack from other corners. What should a sadhu do? Should not accumulate material possession. If at all there is some material possession, to drop it. But we don't drop it. What do? Use it in Krishna's service.